What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now that I kind of know what I'm doing and can stay on the track a little bit more often, it's time to turn this drift missile into something a little more respectable. Alright, so the car's painted. Looks absolutely epic. Look at it. The white just hides all the blemishes, but she's had a good amount of bog in her. Look at her, she's straight as a whistle. Hoo-hoo. Still got to wait for the bonnet to get painted, and I'm just about to go for a drive now and pick up a front bumper for it. There is a fair amount of bog in this rear quarter, but it's all good. It's a drift car. Might just cable tie that in a bit, so less of a gap there. And I'm just going to pull the bumper off and just paint in under here all black. And what I had problems with before, because the car runs pretty rich, kept getting black soot up there. So we're going to extend the little 4.5-inch muffler out to this big Johnny. Woo-wee! Big 5-inch sticking out the back. Polished it all up, nice mirror finish. She's a mirror. Woo-wee! So hopefully that will stop any black marks getting all over the nice new white paint. And I'm probably going to raise the car up just a fraction, just so we don't chew out this here and crack any of that, because there's a bit of bog under there. It's all good. Probably bring her up about 5-10mm at the front, bring it up to a bit more Japanese spec, and yeah, we'll get the other bits painted and loaded up on the trailer. I still got to get some axles for it. Still got to get some axles for it so we can drive it properly. And I'm probably going to swap out the LSD diff that's in it for the welded diff. See if that helps stop breaking axles. So next week this is going to go over to the mount and get a wrap put on it. Our livery. Alright, so we just hooked on the trailer, we're off to the mount to Commercial Signs, who have just finished wrapping the car, putting the RHP livery on it, and I cannot wait to see it. I'm pretty bloody excited. Not pretty, I'm extremely excited. And then even better, we're going drifting tomorrow at Drift Antics. First thing tomorrow morning, we own. Weather is looking good, so it's gonna be a big day. we just got it back to the shop. I'm absolutely stoked how it's turned out. It looks absolutely mint. Compared to what it used to look like to this is just incredible. Looks so good. Thanks very much to Commercial Signs, Mount Maunganui. They've done an awesome job of this. Away Laughing for the design. And of course Central Blast and Paint for the epic Nissan white paint job. And of course Red & Harrison Performance and Yardmaster Pumps. And make sure you guys get your tyres from Cooper Tyres Mount Maunganui. And G90 Engineering for all of our custom machine work.